Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Clarifion brand, their DSTx portable air purifier. It's a wall AC plug-in air purifier with a HEPA filter and negative ionizer. Really cool product. This has over 2,000 great ratings on Amazon. It's ETL rated, it's patent pending design, designed and engineered in the USA. It's CARB certified and complies with the federal ozone emission limit. So what this does is, it's twofold what it does. It has a built-in fan. We're going to open this up right here. Here's the cover. Here is the actual filter, and you can wash this and dry it, make sure it's thoroughly dry. There is a little fan that's going to be drawing air in, but behind this fan there is an electronic module that produces negative ions, and those negative ions come into the air in the room. They collect on dust particles, and dust particles drop where you can sweep them or vacuum them up. Really effective. It makes them heavier essentially. Really unique idea in this compact form. And on the back right here it does have this power piece right here. It has a lock and an unlock. You could actually hit the unlock right there to remove it if you want to, but you just turn it clockwise and it locks in place. And on the back you can clearly see the operation. I tell you the 5 modes on here, and you can see it is ETL rated, also the device as I mentioned, and that's great to see that. And it has a different other information on here about the ozone levels and how to use it, but it's really simple to operate. Actually it goes this way now that I'm looking at it. So let's plug this in, and I'm going to show you what it does. So I have a AC outlet right here. So there is a button right there. You hit that button once and the light comes on. I'm going to turn the studio lights off, and there is a dim blue light, and if you listen, that fan is on and it's producing negative ions. Now I have a device that will detect EMF, and EMF is on negative ions. So if I go towards this, you can see what happens. It reacts, because what's happening is negative ions are coming into the air, and that's what you want to see. So this is really producing those negative ions. You hit this again and it goes to high and the light gets brighter, and you hit it again and the light turns off and it goes to low, and then here it's got high with the light off and then off itself. So those are the 5 modes of operation of this. Really cool. I mean, I love the fact that you can just simply remove the filter and clean it, get access to it, you know, so that you could maintain it. This is a small filter, so it's going to show you how clean it is, and you can just dust it off or clean it. But you can get replacement filters. I'll have the link to that so that you can actually order replacements. They're not that expensive, which is nice. So the manual also shows you how to operate the unit in completion. Very simple to use, as I just demonstrated. So this is a pretty impressive product. I love the form factor of it, nice and small. And you want to put one of these in every room, because it's obviously a small fan, so it's not going to be covering a huge area. But if you had one in every room, you'd be all set. So what do I think about the Clarifion brand, their DSTx portable air purifier? Really high-tech product. I love how simple it is to operate. The controls in here are simple, quiet and efficient, and again producing negative ions to trap that dust and mold in your room that you're using this on. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.